Did you know that you can import historical exchange rates into Excel? Imagine you want to get the Euro-US dollar exchange rates for the entire month of September. Now, many of you might already be familiar with Excel's data types, right? These data types enable you to select the desired exchange, transform it into a currency data type, and, in a straightforward manner, retrieve the current exchange rate. However, here is the problem. Using data types, you'll only retrieve the current exchange rate, and you won't be able to get back any historical rates from previous days, weeks, months, or years. Now, to overcome this problem, we can leverage the power of Excel's Stock History function. While the function's primary purpose is for stocks, it can also be used to retrieve exchange rate data for some currency pairs. To set it up, follow these steps. For the stock argument, enter the ticker symbols of your desired currency pair. In our example, that's EURUSD for Euro and US dollar, respectively. Next, for the start date and end date arguments, specify your desired start date here and your desired end date right below. In the interval argument, we could also adjust the granularity of our data. In the headers argument, we just enter a 0 since we don't want any headers to appear. And there you have it. All the daily exchange rates for the month of September appeared. Impressive, isn't it?